A very good morning to my dear children of class 3 and welcome to your English literature class, and I am your Shatabdi ma'am. So we will be doing revision part 4. Okay, so revision 1 and 2 part was about the poem. Revision 3 was the last video which I gave where we revised all the new and difficult words, and we also gave a reading to page number 29 and 30, right? Today we will be reading about 31, 32 and 33. So let's begin. Before that, what we learnt yesterday, that we should take care of animals and love them, give them some care, give them some space to live, and also if they are abundant, we should adopt them in our houses. Okay, so these are the new words. Before that, we'll give a reading. So the story continues as Dip Dip turned to see a brown streak disappearing down the hill. Capi! Dip Dip cried. Down the hill she rolled behind the cat. Capi ran past houses, jumped over dustbins and darted round the bushes. He sprang past the old man drinking tea in the tea shop. He leapt past the people digging the road. Not far from Dip Dip's house, Capi stopped. Flicked. What is the meaning of flicked? Flicked means moved gently using sudden movements. Like when you run and then you see at the back with a small movement and then you start running again. So that is called flicked. He settled himself comfortably on a high branch. Dip Dip came to a shop under the tree. You crazy cat, she panted. Calm down. But Capi only began to lick himself clean. What could Dip Dip do now? She tried. She was tired. She was very tired running after running after Capi. And she was hungry. Yes. She opened her lunchbox. Why lunchbox? Because she was supposed to go to school. And saw fish curry. This will bring Capi down. Capi, do you want some fish? Cried Dip Dip and lifted up her box to show Capi. Let's see what happens next. Fish! Capi looked down. But suddenly Capi was frightened, means was afraid to climb down. Meow! Meow! He said pitifully, means he was very sad and scared. What? Dip Dip shouted. You don't expect me to come and get you, do you? Meow, yes, said Capi sadly. Fine, said Dip Dip. I am coming. Don't move. Dip Dip wheeled herself close to the tree, and when a branch hung low, she used her arms and pulled herself up. So here is the branch, and Dip Dip pulled this branch more down, and with that helped herself to climb up the tree. Next. Now come here, Capi, you silly cat, she called. Meow, meow. Now Capi was very happy and slided down slowly and cuddled up to her. That's when Dip Dip heard a voice below. There she is, on that tree. There she is, on that tree. Dip Dip, how did you get up there? Oh my God. Dip Dip looked down to see many faces looking up to her. She held out the cat. See, I found Capi for Mimo. Her father brought her and Capi down. So who was that who was calling Dip Dip? That was her father, and father brought her and Capi down from the branch of the tree. So everyone smiled at her, scolded and hugged her. And Dip Dip sat in her wheelchair smiling at and scolding and hugging Capi. Why do you think scolding and hugging together? Because he was lost, and scolding also because he did not listen, and hugging because Dip Dip was also scared, equally scared. So let us do the new words first. These are streak, S-T-R-E-A-K. Disappearing, D-I-S, dis, A-P-P-E-A-R-I-N-G. Copy, K-A-A-P-I, copy. Behind, B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Houses, H-O-U-S-E-S. Dustbin, D-U-S-T-B-I-N. Darted, D-A-R-T-E-D, darted. Bushes, B-U-S-H-E-S. Sprang, S-P-R-A-N-G, sprang. Leapt, L-E-A-P-T, leapt. Flicked, F-L-I-C-K-E-D, flicked. Settled, S-E-T-T-L-E-D, settled. Comfortably, C-O-M, come, F-O-R, tably, T-A-B-L-Y, comfortably. Branch, B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. Crazy, C-R-A-Z-Y, crazy. Hungry, H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Fish curry, F-I-S-H, fish, C-U-R-R-Y. We move on to the next slide, and we have a very few. That is suddenly, S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. Frightened, F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frightened. Meow, M-E-O-W. Pitifully, P-I-T-I-F-U-L-L-Y. Shouted, S-H-O-U-T-E-D. Wheeled, W-H-E-E-L-E-D, wheeled. Branch, B-R-A-N-C-H, herself, H-E-R-S-E-L-F. So that's now the last page for a spelling revision is sliding, S-L-I, sliding, D-I-N-G, sliding. Cuddled, C-U-D-D-L-I-N-G, cuddle. Ing, voices, V-O-I-C-E-S, voices. Brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. Hugged, H-U-G-G-E-D, hugged. H-U-G-G-E-D, hugged. Scolded, S-C-O-L, scolded, D-E-D, scolded. Wheelchair, W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Chair, C-H-A-I-R. So wheel, W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Chair, C-H-A-I-R. Okay, so that's all with the spellings, and that's all for today. But here are some videos. Here are some filling the blanks. And who am I for you? Filling the blanks. Number 1, Dash was the naughtiest child in the school. Number 2, Dash is the author of the story Catch the Cat. Number 3, Kapi was Dash cat. Number 4, she wheeled herself up Dash a little. Number 5, Dash, this will bring him down. Then who am I? Number 1, I sat in a wheelchair and searched Kapi. Number 2, I was hanging clothes when Dip Dip came running. Number 3, I settled myself comfortably on a high bench. Number 4, I brought Dip Dip and Kapi down from the tree. So these are the who am I. You will fill this up and keep it. You will copy it and keep it in your exercise books. So that's all for today, children. We'll come back in the next video. Okay. Thank you, everyone.